Hello and welcome to this very special lesson where we are going to talk about how you can speak English, even if you feel a little bit shy or quiet. It is very natural to feel nervous when you are learning a new language because you want to say everything perfectly and you do not want to make any mistakes. Today I want to show you that being shy is actually okay. And you can still be a wonderful English speaker while being exactly who you are. You are listening to Episode for English, and I am so happy to spend this quiet and peaceful time with you today as we build your confidence together. Please take a deep breath and let your body relax because we are going to learn in a way that feels very safe and very easy for your heart. The first thing I want you to know is that speaking English does not mean you have to change your personality or become a loud person. You can speak softly and you can speak slowly, and people will still listen to what you have to say because your ideas are important. When you feel shy, your voice might stay inside your throat, but you can practice letting it out just a little bit at a time in a very gentle way. You can start by speaking to yourself at home when you are alone in your room where nobody else can hear you. You can say simple things like the weather is nice today, or I am going to make a cup of tea right now. Hearing your own voice in a quiet place helps you get used to the sounds of English without any pressure from other people. If you are enjoying this calm lesson and you want to keep learning with us every week, please feel free to subscribe to our channel so we can grow together. It is a very nice way to be part of our friendly community, and I truly love having you here with me during these lessons. Now let us think about what happens when you meet a new person and you feel that shy feeling coming into your chest. You do not have to say a lot of words to be polite and friendly, because a small hello and a kind smile are enough to start a good day. You can say hello and then you can say my English is just a little bit slow today, and most people will understand and be very patient with you. People are usually very kind and they will be happy that you are trying to speak to them in their language. Another great secret for shy learners is to use very short and simple sentences that are easy to remember and easy to say. You do not need to worry about long stories or difficult grammar, because short sentences are very clear and they help you feel more in control. For example, you can say, I like this coffee, or the park is very beautiful today, and then you can just listen to the other person speak for a while. Listening is a very big part of communication, and as a shy person, you are probably a very good listener already. You can use that skill to hear how other people talk, and then you can copy their simple words when you feel ready to speak again. This takes the pressure off your shoulders and lets you enjoy the conversation at your own comfortable speed. Sometimes we feel shy because we think everyone is looking at us and waiting for us to make a mistake, but that is usually not true at all. Most people are thinking about their own day and their own problems, and they are just happy to have a simple and nice chat with you. If you make a mistake, you can just laugh a little bit and say, sorry, I am still learning, and then keep going with your day. Making mistakes is the only way to get better, and every time you say something wrong, you are actually getting closer to saying it right. You should be very proud of yourself for trying, because speaking a new language is a very brave thing to do. You are doing a wonderful job, and I can feel your progress, even as you are just sitting there and listening to my voice. On Episode for English, we believe that every learner has a unique voice, and your quiet voice is just as beautiful as a loud one. You can practice your confidence by using English in small ways, like when you are ordering food or asking for the time from a stranger. You can practice the sentence in your head many times before you say it out loud so that you feel very prepared and ready. You can say, excuse me, what time is it, please? And when they answer, you will feel a little spark of joy because you did it. That small spark of joy will grow into big confidence over time. if you just keep taking these tiny and easy steps every day. There is no need to rush, and there is no need to compare yourself to other people who might seem more confident than you are. When you are feeling very shy, you can also use your body to help you feel stronger, like standing up straight and taking deep breaths. When your body feels strong, your mind starts to feel more brave, and the words will find their way out of your mouth more easily. You can also try to focus on the person you are talking to instead of thinking about yourself and your own fears. If you think about helping them understand you, it becomes a kind act of sharing instead of a scary test of your skills. You are a kind and thoughtful person, and that will show in your English, even if you only use a few simple words at a time. Every day you are building a bridge between your heart and the world, and that bridge is getting stronger with every single word you speak. I want you to remember that it is okay to take a break if you feel too overwhelmed or if the world feels too loud for you. You can come back to these lessons and listen to my voice whenever you need to feel calm and reminded that you are doing great. You have a lot of time to learn, and there is no finish line that you have to cross by a certain day. Just focus on today and focus on one simple sentence that makes you feel happy and relaxed. You are a very important part of this world, and your voice deserves to be heard, even if it is a quiet one. I am so glad that we could spend this time together, and I hope you feel a little bit lighter and a little bit more ready to try one small thing today. As we finish our lesson, I want you to give yourself a big smile and remember that you are a brave and capable learner. You have everything you need inside of you to speak English clearly, and you are making wonderful progress every single minute. I look forward to our next lesson, where we will continue to explore the beauty of simple and easy English together. Take care of yourself and stay kind to your heart as you go through your day with confidence. Goodbye for now, and I will talk to you again very soon in our next peaceful episode.